Shanglin Textile Co., Limited was founded in 1996, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. We are specialized in designing, production, trade and sale of the wool fabrics, wool and chemical fiber blended fabrics and other clothing fabrics. The fabrics of our company are suitable for overcoat, casual jacket, trousers and other fashionable men and women clothing. Our main products, all kinds of fancy loop yarns fabric, high and low wool content boiled wool, jacquard fabric of different patterns, worsted cotton wool, double-faced woolen goods, high-end cashmere fabric, wool and yarns blended fabric, mohair blended fabric and other mid to high-end fabrics. Our factory is equipped with more than 40 textile machines of different kinds, like the great and small circular machines, the computerized jacquard machines. The daily production capacity can reach 20,000 meters. Our overseas customers mainly come from Japan, South Korea, Europe and United States, and the export sales is more than $10 million per year. We are devoted to developing fashionable yarns by applying different spinning technology, and also work on designing and producing stylish fabrics by blending high-quality wool with chemical fibers. We provide one package service including dyeing, spinning, weaving and after treatment. We are sincere and glad to cooperate with you, to seek mutual benefits and win the future together.